Hey folks, so it looks like the Nothing Phone 1 is finally getting an update to Nothing OS 3.2. So before I install it, this is just some quick info. So what's new with this update? They tell you it introduces a privacy space. So swipe right in the app drawer for a quick and easy access to your secure zone. You can now set separate privacy passwords for both App Locker and Privacy Space. And then Hotspot Manager easily manage devices connected to your hotspot. For improvements, they fixed issues with incorrect light strip display when playing music in Glyph Composer. Use a touch feedback toggle in settings to disable the face unlock vibration for lock screen. And it's updated to Android security patch for June. Then they fixed accessibility issues in Launcher, Gallery, and other apps. And then, of course, general bug fixes and stability enhancements. So the file size is about 719 megabytes. So yeah, let's get this installed. So I'm gonna download it now, install it. And yeah, it's pretty cool to see that the Nothing Phone 1 gets a software update. That's nice, to know that they're still going to support it. This doesn't mean that it's going to get Nothing OS 4. I would be totally shocked if they did give us basically Android 16. But at least, they're still giving attention to the Nothing Phone 1 now that the Nothing Phone 3 is available. And yeah, so kind of curious to know if there's like a major difference between Nothing OS 3.5 and this, because this is 3.2, right? 3.5 will be available on the Nothing Phone 3 day out of box until 4 rolls out. So anyways, I will report back in a day or so to let you guys know if there's like any major bugs that I found. I don't know. I have to use, like the phone to know if there's going to be any of these issues or not. But yeah, I don't know. I think it would be cool if it had like the July security patch. I mean, yeah, we're barely into the month of July, but I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. Anyways, if you guys have the Nothing Phone 1 and you guys took the update, comment below. Let me know if you guys noticed anything weird or has it fixed any issues that you have been having. Definitely post that in the comments. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.